how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your contacts not showing in WhatsApp? Today I'll guide you how to do it in just a simple steps. So, how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you have ever found yourself wondering why some of your WhatsApp contacts are mysteriously missing, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to help you tackle this frustrating issue and get your contacts back in no time. So, first things first, you have to make sure that WhatsApp has permission to access your contacts. So open up the settings on your device and then scroll down until you find apps. And there in the search bar, search for WhatsApp, tap on it and tap on contacts and make sure you have ticked on full access. This simple step can often resolve the issue right away. But if that doesn't work, we have to check your screen time settings. So go back to your settings app and then scroll down until you find settings and privacy. So tap on the privacy and security option and there scroll down, tap on contacts and make sure that WhatsApp has full access. So after you've done that, it should work, but if it doesn't, you'll have to reinstall WhatsApp and install it again. This can clear up any glitches that might be causing the issue. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.